Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, January 1st, 2023. Happy New Year. I hope you had a great New Year's Eve, and I hope the start of the new year has been good so far for you. I thought I'd hop on here and do a quick video about the pay plan for LiveGood. Alright, so I'm in my back office right now, and I'm just going to go down here to my earnings, and then click over here on View Pay Plan Description. Alright, and here's our affiliate compensation plan. It says at LiveGood, your health and wellness will always be our #1 focus. That's why we eliminate the middleman to make the highest quality products on the planet available to our customers and members for a fraction of the price of the competition. And on top of the huge savings you get when you purchase any of our life-changing products, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. In fact, you can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. Alright, I'm going to read that again. You can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. Alright, and remember, there's no auto ship requirements, there's no purchase requirements. As long as you're paying your $9.95 monthly membership fee, you can earn this up to this amount of money without referring anyone. Alright? And if you decide to share our amazing products and compensation plan with others, you can earn even more. You can earn income 6 ways, and the first way that you can earn is with our weekly Fast Start commissions. Alright, so for each person who you refer to LiveGood who becomes a member and an affiliate for $49.95, we will reward you with a $25 commission paid out the very next week. Plus, if any of the people you enroll choose to enroll others, not only will they be rewarded, but you will also receive additional bonus commissions up to 10 levels deep. Alright, just here's the chart here. So when you come in, you're going to be on rank, but if you bring in, just say one person, you're going to earn 50% of whatever they make. Okay? Now, I'm a bronze right now. I'm so close to silver, but I'm still a bronze. So I earn 50% on my first level, and then 10% on my second level. Alright, and you can see how it goes down here. Silvers earn 50% on the first level, 10 on the second, and then 5 on the third and fourth. Gold, platinum, and diamond. Weekly Fast Start commissions are paid out on the first month's membership and on the $40 affiliate sign-up fee. So you will receive $5 for any new members that you refer, plus $20 for any new affiliates you refer. Since many people join as both a member and an affiliate, you will receive both of those amounts for a total of $25 paid out the very next week. Alright, so we get paid on Thursdays. And I got my first paycheck this past Thursday for $25. And it went right to my bank account, no problems, no issues. Alright, the second way we get paid is our matrix commissions. When you lock in your position in LiveGood, you are given your own business center in our fast-filling 2x15 matrix. As more people join LiveGood every week, they are placed in the matrix under everyone who is already in there, following their enroller. So, the sooner you lock in your position, the higher your position will be in the matrix. And as you can see here, we earn 2.5% for everyone in our matrix up to 15 levels deep. Alright, so here's the example. If you come in here and not refer anyone and your matrix fills up, which it will over time because there are people joining this like crazy, folks, okay? You can earn up to $2,047.50 just being an unranked member with no affiliates. Alright, but if you're a diamond and your matrix is filled, you'd be earning $16,383.50 a month. Alright, it says all percentages are based on monthly $9.95 membership fees. Commissions for members who join at the yearly option will be paid out over 12 months at $9.95 per month. Alright, our third way to get paid is through our matching bonuses. As huge as the Fast Start commissions and matrix bonuses are, our matching bonuses are even bigger. On top of the $2,047.50 or up to $16,383.50 that you can earn in your personal matrix, you will also match 50% of the matrix commissions on everyone you enroll and a percentage of everyone those people enroll 5 enrollment generations deep, regardless of where they fall in your matrix. Alright, so this is huge, folks. I'm a bronze, so I'm earning 50% of personally enrolled people. But, you know, if you come up to diamond, you'll be earning 50% on your first level, 20 on your second, 10 on your third, and then 5% on your fourth and fifth generations. Alright, and it says, example, if you have 10 personally enrolled people who are each earning $6,000 per month in their matrix, you will match 50% of what they earn in their matrix. That means you will earn a $3,000 matching bonus on each of them every month for a total of $30,000. 10 people at $3,000 each in commissions just on those 10 people alone. And that doesn't include what you will earn in your matrix, plus potentially hundreds or thousands of other people you could be matching in our other generations. There's no limit as to how many people you can match, how much you can earn in matching bonuses. Matrix commissions and matching bonuses are paid out the first week of each month for the previous month's volume starting your second month, as all initial orders are paid out in fast start commissions. And I'm telling you, the way that people are joining this company is blowing up, literally. And I know I mentioned it in my other videos, but we only have a few thousand people in this right now, okay? And the owners are predicting that over the next couple of years, we're going to have several million in this company. So now is the time to join this. Don't think about it any longer. Pay the $49.95. It's only $10 a month after that. It's $160 for the year. You can save 20% if you buy a yearly membership. So there's no excuse for this. I mean, you could literally just pay to get started and not do anything about it and check back in a year, and you're going to more than likely have people underneath you in the matrix, all right, just from the spillover alone. So our fifth way is influencer bonuses. For affiliates who choose to market products to retail customers on a larger scale, you will earn additional bonuses on all of that volume. In fact, you will earn up to 100% of the difference between the member price and the retail price on all orders by your referred retail customers. Influencer bonuses are paid exclusively based on personally enrolled retail volume per month, regardless of rank. So an example would be if you have over 25,000 in retail customer volume in a given month and the member pricing for that volume total 17,000, for example, the difference between the member price and the retail price is 8,000. You will earn 50%, which is 4,000 in retail commissions, plus an additional 40% or 3,200 in influencer bonuses for a total of 7,200 in commissions on that volume. Okay, so you can make a lot of money if you choose to go this route and promote the retail side of this. All right. And then our last way that we get paid is through our diamond bonus pool. Our affiliates are a huge part of the success of our company. We recognize that and want to reward you even more by allowing you to share in the total sales of the entire company. Once you achieve diamond rank, you will share in 2% of total company sales every month. And the diamond pool is like this. It's a 2% split between all qualified diamond rank members, and 2% of the total sales of all membership and product sales gets divided evenly between all qualified diamond ranked affiliates and paid out with monthly commissions. Okay? So this is the 6 ways that we get paid with LiveGood. If you have any questions about this payment plan or the company itself, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're interested in joining our team is growing really quick here. Click on the link down in the description box. You'll be taken over to my landing page that looks just like this. All right, there's a short video here you can watch to learn more about our Powerline system and the company itself. And then you just put your first name, last name, and email. Click reserve my position now. And yeah, you'll be good to go. So, listen, I hope you have a happy, healthy, and prosperous 2023. I'm going to be focusing on my health and just getting in the best possible shape that I can be. And I'm going to be using the LiveGood products. I'm drinking the liquid aminos right now, and I'm super excited about going into the new year. So that's it. I don't know what else to tell you. I'm just super excited about this. For all those who join underneath me and join our team, I'm going to drive traffic to your page that looks like this until you rank up to bronze. So I'm going to be giving you free traffic to help you get going and help kickstart off the new year in your business. All right. So again, if you have any questions about this, leave them down in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I always appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All right. So until then, stay safe, be well, and peace be with you.